The formal unpacked ceremony for the Galaxy S24 series is in less than 1 month. First, let's talk about the primary sensor improvement, which is the most significant camera upgrade. The default photo resolution of the Galaxy S24 Ultra could be 24 megapixels, as opposed to the 12 megapixels of the previous generation. The one game-changing addition that Apple made to the iPhone 15 Pro series was the ability to get double the resolution without sacrificing HDR clarity. It now appears that Samsung will follow suit. The greatest 8K video experience available on a phone now on the market will be provided by the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You can now capture 8K films at 5x magnification with the new 5x50 megapixel sensor, in addition to 30 frames per second with the primary sensor. With its 5x zoom sensor, this flagship smartphone will be the first to capture 8K video. You will be able to take portrait mode images at 1x, 2x, 3x, and 5x magnifications now that this 5x zoom sensor can now take portrait zoom photos. You will be able to capture smoother films and better night mode/low light photographs with this 5x sensor, as it has been further noted that it will have greater stabilization. According to reports, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the first phone to use the revolutionary new Corning Gorilla Glass armor, which will significantly improve durability. In fact, the phone's durability will increase by almost 56% when compared to the previous generation's metal frame. It is true that Samsung is working to create the unbreakable Galaxy. Yes, the S24 Ultra is becoming increasingly potent. These days, a Galaxy S24 video wouldn't be complete without discussing AI. Every single day, a huge number of features are leaked. It is now known that the S24 series will feature an AI-powered intelligent gallery. Enhancing the subject's background in a picture is one of the intelligent gallery's new standout features. Lastly, the S24 Ultra single-take mode may now shoot at up to 10x magnification. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.